May I respectfully invite His Excellency Muhammad Shehbaz Sharif, Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, to receive the honorary degree of Doctor of Philosophy in Leadership and Governance from Her Royal Highness the Tengku Ampuan of Pahang. Ampun Tuanku, it is with great honor I respectfully invite His Excellency Muhammad Shehbaz Sharif, Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, to deliver his acceptance speech.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Your Royal Highness, the Tengku Ampuan of Pahang, Tunku Aziza Amina Maimuna Iskandaria, Constitutional Head of the International Islamic University of Malaysia, Young Barahmat Dato Siri, the Raja Dr. Zambri Abdul Qadir, Minister of Higher Education, Malaysia, Young Barahmat Datuk Ahmed Fahimi, Minister of Communication, Malaysia, Tan Sri Abdul Rashid, President of Islamic University of Malaysia and Chairman of Board of Governors, and Honorable Usman Bakar, Rector of Islamic University, Malaysia, Honorable Professor Ahmed Faris Ismail, Chairman, Special Convocation Ceremony, Excellencies, Honorable Ministers, Ambassadors, members of faculties, dear students, guests, brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum. Your Highness, allow me at the very outset to convey my deepest respects to Your Royal Highness Tunku Aziza Amina Maimuna Iskandaria for gracing this occasion and sparing your very valuable time. It is indeed a great privilege and an honor to be amongst all of you here in the gathering of luminaries to humbly receive the honorary Doctorate of Leadership and Governance from this great seat of learning, International Islamic University of Malaysia. Honorable guests, for over 4 decades, I devoted my humble services to serve the cause of the people of Punjab, the largest province of Pakistan, as their public servant, and now as the Prime Minister of Pakistan. And in the line of duty, despite my human failings, I tried my best to serve the people with sincerity of purpose and unwavering commitment. Today, with my head bowed in all humility, before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as I accept this honor with heartfelt gratitude. I am truly delighted to be associated through this degree of philosophy with one of the most revered seats of learning in the Muslim world, an institution that has championed the integration of knowledge, faith, and ethics in pursuit of excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope that my presence here today will further strengthen the bonds of academic partnership and collaboration between International Islamic University Malaysia and Pakistan's leading institutions of higher learning. Your Royal Highness, leadership in our tradition is not a privilege, but a sacred trust, amana, which must be exercised with honesty of purpose, sincerity, justice, and transparent accountability before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. History bears testimony. History bears testimony that whenever Muslims held firmly to these glorious principles, they not only flourished themselves, but also became a source of guidance for humanity around the globe. Honorable guests, today the Muslim Ummah confronts formidable challenges: poverty, disunity, and more than ever, it is in these testing times that we need to hold on together to our values and ethics, guided by our religion, Islam, to be able to reclaim our lost place in the community of nations. Your Royal Highness, Pakistan, like your great country, our brotherly country, second home Malaysia, is blessed with a very young population. Therefore, our responsibility as servants and as leaders is to provide them the right platforms to serve the cause of suffering humanity with compassion and with great commitment. Here, I am reminded of the timeless words of our great poet, philosopher, Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal, whose vision continues to inspire not only the people of Pakistan, but the Muslims of the world. And he said, सबक फिर पढ़ सदाकत का, अदालत का, शुजात का. सबक फिर पढ़ सदाकत का, अदालत का, शुजात का. लिया जाएगा तुझसे काम दुनिया की इमामत का. Your Royal Highness, I'd like to translate this into English as best as I can. Iqbal, the great poet of the East, said, learn again the lesson of truth, of justice, of courage, for you are destined, O Muslim, you are destined to guide the world under your leadership. This is what great poet Iqbal said many decades ago, and this is as current, as relevant as it was decades ago. Your Royal Highness, honorable guests, I would like to thank you once again for this singular honor and pray for the continued success of this great university, International Islamic School of Malaysia, and for our future of greater unity, brotherhood, and very close coordination, and a future of unity, progress, and prosperity for both our great nations, Pakistani and Malaysian nations. Thank you once again for bestowing upon me this honor. I am deeply grateful to the President of the University, the Chancellor, and the Rector, and Minister of Education, and the heads of faculties, our very dear students, and of course, especially to you as the constitutional head of this institution. Thank you very much. Pakistan, Malaysia friendship, long live, Zindabad.